Hi everybody, so I'm going to be doing my presentation on my family literacy backpack. So what I did was manners, and manners are very important to have. And yeah, so the books that I chose was The Bad Seed by Jory John, Emily's Everyday Manners by Cindy P. Senning, and What Do You Say Dear by Cecile Jocelyn. And the artifact that I chose was a little stuffed unicorn, and I was hoping that it could be like you share the toy and exchange it to each other, like asking politely. Some of the activities that I did for the bad seed activity would have to be to create little paper bad seeds out of construction paper and water it into like a plant with polite words and compliments, and the more words the more it will grow. And with the everyday manners book, there will be an activity where you have to track every time you show manners to anyone, like when they say please or thank you. And for the What Do You Say book activity, I planned for it to be to create all the artifacts that it shows in the books by speaking to them like the book says, and it will help them practice for real life. So I gave my backpack to one of our dear friends, and so anyway, they're the Redmond family, and as you can see, they really liked it. They had never seen this before, and yeah, so I'm just gonna read it like exactly what it says. So the activity that they most liked was the bad seed activity, and the girls had a lot of fun making it into a little plant with polite words, and they had a lot of fun coloring and cutting the papers. They did not, however, find the unicorn part fun because they're little girls, so they just saw it and they just wanted to play with it, so they didn't really understand, but the parents did, and so they thought it was a neat idea, but just probably not for individual. Maybe for like a class it would be nice, but individually, no. She said that the only flaw was the unicorn. The girls loved the backpack. And so the other comments, basically, instead of reading the entire thing, she has two girls. One is entering kindergarten and the other one is around 2 years old. They had fun reading the books, and since they're barely learning to read, well, at least the older one is barely learning to read, she didn't have a problem reading them by herself. She would rarely go and ask her mom for help. And overall, they really liked it. They have never seen anything like it, and they very politely asked me not to take pictures because of privacy matters. And yeah, but I think her favorite book was What Do You Say Dear, because it had a lot of animals and stuff, so that was pretty cute. And yeah. So, future references, if I was going to make backpack all over again, I would change the artifact. I thought it was going to be pretty cute to have a stuffed unicorn and ask for it politely, and it would teach them a lesson, but I guess kindergarten kids just see a toy and want to get it. I would change the artifact for something that will tie everything in together. I don't know what that would be at the moment, but I will figure it out. But anyway, that was it. Overall, they really liked it, and yeah, I hope, and this was a really good project to do, and I really like to see their reactions. And again, I'm sad that they didn't let me take pictures, but I mean, I had to respect their wishes and stuff, so yeah. Thank you.